Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PCSN. So today I'm going to talk about what happens when your Microsoft apps start asking you about logging in, but they don't let you log in. So here's a scenario. When you left the office yesterday, everything was working fine. You come in the morning and you try to log in to your Outlook or Word, and it asks you that, hey, you need to log in because we cannot determine the authenticity of the software. So you put in your username and password, and it doesn't work. So here's what happens. And here's how to fix it. So it happens because Microsoft is enabling modern authentication across tenants. They're doing a scheduled rollout. So when your batch of tenants gets ready to get rolled out, Microsoft's not going to tell you anything. So all of a sudden, one day you'll come in and your users can't log in. Here's what you do to fix it. Let me share my screen. Now, you are going to need administrative access to your control panel, your admin portal. So once you log into your admin portal, on the left-hand side, normally you will not see all these options. So you will see something like this. So go into all options here, click on org settings, and then scroll down to until you see modern authentication. Click on modern authentication. And in this case, in this tenant, you would want to enable modern authentication here. So this organization already has security defaults enabled, which means modern authentication is required. There is no option to disable it. If it was not enabled via security defaults, then you would have an option, a radio button over here to enable modern authentication. You would want to do that. If that's the cause of your connectivity issue, enable it. Once you enable it, restart your machine and everything will be good. It should start working as normal. Now, this only happens when you have MFA enabled. So if you have MFA enabled and one day your users cannot log in, come in here, enable your enable your modern authentication. Now we'll go into security default. You get to it from another portal, but I'll go through that in another video. But for now, this should get you going. And if there's any questions, you have issues, reach out to us. And everybody, have a great day. We'll see you next time.